Umawat pa nga sa harap. Bilis ka, no? Baka mabilis. Ngayon, hala! Gusto mong macho dyan. Kaya ba?
Sa kuya ko.
Hello guys. Akyatan ng nasa hiking tayo ngayon. Ayan. Ganyan. Hiking mood. Aakyat tayo. Gamit lang mga yun.
No, actually they're okay. But below so many times, that's why we all tired. So it's not. So it's not okay, la. It's not la. If we don't, if we search properly, some island. Ako ko the name. It's like
Ay, ganda.
very hot, you know.
Like that. Paakyat. Akyat ng akyat. Ayan.
Before I want to go there, but
Pero ano na, okay na yung trail.
Ayan, pataas ng pataas. Hindi mayroon ng lubid dito sa
dito ang 50 years old.
sa kabila.
Sino dito ang 40 years old? Nangyo wala yata. 30. Siya daw. Nasa 20s.
Ang ganda-ganda lang guys. Ito, akyat ng akyat. So today's videos guys, hello, good morning. This is your Kamaricoy Bitchay. Once again, let's do hiking. At ito, mga 3 hours hike papunta ng bundok. At the good thing here is may lubid na hahawak-hawakan habang paakyat doon sa taas. Kaya safe pa din, though hard, kahit mahirap, pero kakayanin natin yan para lang makita yung kung ano ang itinatago ng bundok na ito doon sa taas. Kaya see you guys, come with me together and let's enjoy and explore this mountain. Hello guys, good morning. This is your Maricoy Bitchay once again. For today's videos guys is about hiking. Today I decided to come and do hiking for health and also for nature, para ma-enhance po yung ating positivity of thinking. Kailangan natin minsan mag-unwind. So here I am again. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your Maricoy Bitchay, ang kumari mong tunay. Kaya I hope you will enjoy and support me guys for watching my videos and not skipping the ads. Thank you very much for watching and see you to all my exploration. So ayan guys, nandito na ako sa may gitna at ito ang view from half pa lang po ng aakyat, at dito na nakikita na natin yung view sa lower part. Ganyan ang pinanggalingan namin, so bali doon kami nanggaling At yan, dito kami umakyat. Ganyan. Paakyat ang paakyat. Pero sa pag-akyat ay meron namang mga hinahawakang mga lubid ng ganyan. So, still safe. So, may aakyatan pa na ganyan. Basta pa-ascended lang yan po guys. Paakyat ng paakyat hanggang marating yung sa may taas. Approximately 2 hours to climb and 2 hours to get down. So, see you guys. So, ganyan, for safety, hahawakan lang yung lubid at aakyat ng aakyat. Ganyan. Hindi naman kailangan mag-apura because we all have the time to enjoy climbing and hiking. Kaya just do it slowly. Yung iba, oh my gosh. So that is the danger of it kasi medyo yung maliliit na bato pag naapakan siya gumugulong, kaya may pagkadelikado din, kaya dobling ingat lang, ganyan, step by step, just relax hanggang makarating sa taas. Walang nag-aapura, hayaan natin yung mga medyo mabibilis dahil yun linggo-linggo ang ginagawa mag-hike. Ako ay paminsan-minsan lang, for a few months, ngayon lang ulit ako mag-hiking dahil as you can see what I am doing for this past few months, past year is camping, and now I want to go back on hiking for health. Kaya magagawa tayo ng hiking for this past few weeks, and this is my first hike for the year 2024. Ganyan, let's do exploration. At ang temperature po pala ngayon is 10 degree, kaya medyo malamig at kailangan natin nakasuot ng ganyan to protect ourselves from coldness, especially we are on the mountain, kaya medyo ang lamig po ay kakaiba. Pero pag lumabas ng haring araw, ang init din po ay iinit. Kaya see you guys. So ayan guys, let's go and continue for hiking. At binabaybay po namin ang kalagitnaan ng dagat ay ng ng gubat. At ito, ang madadaanan natin is a kind of bushes, but pwede naman natin siyang suot-suotan, ganyan oh. Yan. Snake free naman po siguro to. Wala naman sigurong ahas. Hindi natin alam. Pero sa nadadaanan siguro ng tao. Pero madalang naman sigurong may pumunta dito. Mga hikers lang. Pero it's okay. So far wala pa namang nagpaparamdam na ahas. Kaya okay lang. Siguro safe lang yan. Just follow the path. Mayroon ng nagagawang daan ang mga tao. Susundan lang natin. Ha? Come back? Blue color? Oh. May nakita ba kayong blue ribbon daw dyan? Yes.
Did you find the blue ribbon?
Kailangan daw makita yung blue ribbon at yun yung tamang daan. Lampas ng sementeryo. May sementeryo ba dito? Mayroon doon?
Hindi daw daan ang dinadaanan kundi yung blue ribbon.
Oh my. Ano daw, tignan daw natin ang blue ribbon, Day.
Black ribbon! Walang ribbon! Wala! Nulipad na siya! Libagyaw!
Okay, come back guys, come back.
Wala!
Ang nakita daw nila, sementeryo.
Bundok! Wala yung God sa earth ba? Wala? Wala!
God's Ark?
Doon pa, sa lampas ng sementeryo. Ay. Yan kasi, walang mapa.
Do you have a hiking trail apps? But may signal ba dito? Mayroon akong hiking trail, no signal.
Tayo pwede.
Hindi yung chinek yung God's Art.
Wala man.
Bundok. Sige, picture dito. Ano man nakikita nyo dyan?
Okay, let's go back again.
Ganito.
We need to go down.
We need to go down daw.
Yeah, pero yung trail kasi, wala nang ganito na ganyan. Oh. No more like this. You suksok the body in the inside.
Okay, good translation. Very good. Go, go, go.
Go, go.
You suck your body in the inside.
You suksok the body inside.
Suksok.
Yeah.
Suksok your body inside, ah.
Yeah, you suksok. You suksok here. Yeah.
You go first, madam. Yeah, you go first. Tingnan mo, galing kami dun, Emma. Wala yung nakita niyo na, ano?
Wala pa, kasi hindi pa naman kami nakakarating dun sa
Hanapin natin yung daan.
Pinabalik kami. No?
You go, come back.
You know, only one step, we're already in the cave.
Yeah. No, I never say go back. I said, did you find the blue?
Just asking if you find the blue ribbon. So let's go, guys. Hanapin natin yung tamang daan. No need to panic kasi maaga pa naman. Mahahanap natin yung daan. So ganito siguro. Dito lang. Dire-diretso lang. Yan. As they are following. Yeah. Nangunguna tayo. Medyo bushy lang. Yes.
I saw the video have there.
You know, the Lin Mahang. No, also have the new trail, you know. Last time don't have, you know. Yes, I saw yesterday. Hong Kong people have the... Yeah, I also been there.
So ganyan, ganyan kalalaki yung mga damo na dadaanan natin. Kasing tangkad natin. Pero hindi yan damo, yung alam nyo yung those trees na tumutubo sa gubat, 'di ba? Na ano sila, yung hindi lumalaki. Ang ganda kaya. Trees ganyan. Actually, it's a tree, but hindi siya lumalaki. Yan. Nabubunsay. Yan. I get the right words of it. Bonsai. This is the beauty why people like hiking. Because of the beauty of these natures. Look at that. So, there. Yan ang lalakarin natin. There. na naman po tayo. Magko-coastering tayo. After lunch, after namin nagpunta sa cave, ay bumaba kami dito para mag-lunch. Tapos, pero yung mga iba, naiwan sa taas. Ngayon, ang inyong kamarikoy ay lalaglag ng kinain dahil syempre kakakain lang natin ng lunch. Gagawa tayo ng mag-exercise lang tayo dito. Dito, coastering. Yan, coastering natin yan. Yan, para ma-exercise tayo ng kaunti. Ganyan. Malawak to. Oh. To let you know guys pala, nandito kami sa isang island. They call it Crescent Island here in Hong Kong. We take boat, small boat from the mainland to come here to this island to explore. This morning we climb up the mountain and went to the very popular cave in this island, take photos. After that we come down for lunch, and then now after lunch I am trying to do some coastering for another exercise para malaglag yung ating kinain, hindi maglaki ulit ng ating tummy. Kasi wala ding kwenta guys yung pag-akit natin ng bundok. Kung kakain ng marami tapos mag-upo-upo lang dyan, there's a lot of way to enjoy our life. And naka-exercise na, mag-enjoy pa sa view. It's so nice. Oh, ganda. This is one of my favorite thing to do in life. Yung maglakad-lakad sa tabi ng dagat. Oh, ganda sana kung may partner, no? Kaya lang, wow. So beautiful. So beautiful. Nakita akong good spot para sa hammock. Next time na pupunta ako dito, magdadala ako ng hammock. Ito tatali dyan sa puno. Yan, may mga sangsya. O, diba? And let's magpipiknik. Ang inyong kamari pinakakita ng good spot for picnic or one day camp dyan. Pwede pwede kayong magdala ng hammock. That's what I want to do next time. Pagbalik namin dito, kung kailan sila ulit mag-schedule punta dito, I will bring my camping gear. At siguro magka-camp ako dito sa gilid. Diyan nakita ko. Pero mag-explore pa tayo ng kaunti. Baka may mga anpapas. Magdadala din ako ng pang-swimming. It's so nice to be here, look. Ang ganda ng maligo dito guys. Ang ganda ng bato. Pino lang. Bato siya pero ang ganda ng tubig. Masarap maligo. Pag medyo na siguro. April 4 daw eh. Babalik dito. April 4. Wow. Let's do that. Let's do some camping here. Wow. Ang ganda. Ang ganda siya sa Pwede magdala ng hammock. Pwede siyang ihammock. At saka swimming. I love that. Gusto kong gawin yun. Hammock and swimming. Picnic. Dala tayo ng pagkain. O, diba? Ang ganda siya. Malinis pa. Tapos wow. Diba? Gusto ko. Or there. You see? Ibaliktad ko. Sinasabi kong pwedeng mag-hammock. Look at this. Hello guys, once again, ito naman ang inyong Kamarikoy Bitchay, ang kumari mong tunay. Dito na ako mag-i-inpost. Palagi ako kasing walang inpost, ay yung inpost ba. Pag natatapos yung video ko, hindi ko nagagawaan ng ending. So ngayon, itry ko nagagawa. Salamat sa pagsama nyo sa aking exploration dito sa Crescent Island. Separated from the mainland of Hong Kong, but is still part of Hong Kong. Salamat po sa pagsama nyo sa akin sa pag-explore ko dyan sa bundok, maging sa gilid-gilid ng dagat. I hope you enjoy, and thank you for watching guys, and always supporting to my channel. Please subscribe and do share and like my videos if you like it. Thank you very much, and see you again next time to my next video. Thank you. Bye.
Slow mo. Naka-slow mo yan.